Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio S24 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not powering on. You would plug it into the outlet, you would switch this switch and it will not power on at all. And the problem was because this switch was no longer making contact between these little terminals and this other terminal right here. So we had to replace the power switch, and we also replaced the hot water knob. This is the older one of the machine. This is the newer one. You can probably tell because it's more shiny as well. And yeah, we will just replace that one. We also replaced the gasket of the machine. It was super hard to really remove this one, and as you can see, it's already breaking. And the shower screen, this one that you see right here, was completely clogged. As you know, these had you see through these ones, and this one you can barely see through. It's just completely clogged with coffee. We replace that one as well. Replace the gasket, deep clean the group head around it, and just give it a good clean all around the entire machine, as it had a lot of coffee build up, especially in this area. All right, there. Let me see if you can see. Perfect. Right there. Lots of coffee built up. Lots of coffee built up all around it. So we deep clean that as well. I flushed this machine, gave it a good test, descaled it as well. Hot water one was the boiler was super scaly. We did a bunch of rinsing cycles on this machine to make sure there was no descale in there, and we removed as much as we could. We also descaled the heat exchanger of the machine as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size on this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. We're not using the portafilter of the machine. I didn't turn it all the way. We are not using the portafilter of the machine, as I was saying. But as you can see, this one is holding up pretty good. Started to leak because I didn't push it all the way. It's extracting coffee pretty good. Stop it right here. Good crema. Good shot of espresso. Looking great. As you can see, the flow coming out from the group head is a nice steady stream coming out through there. You can see the different streams on the shower screen as well. Working perfectly. Pressure for this machine, as you can see. Beautiful, excellent pressure coming out from the steam. Working great. No leaks coming out through here or anything. Working perfectly, and hot water nice and steady. So there you have it, Rancilio S24 working once again, powering on and ready to brew. So thank you so much for your time with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.